So yesterday we started one small application in React. So we learned about the modules and API methods. Now we need to create an complete application for the basic API methods we are having. So in React, the front end application must be designed by using these Node.js in the backend and all the libraries with TypeScript. So we will first create API methods, then we can create the interface. Actually, all are CRUD operations, so you don't need much new concepts. Only point is here you are using TypeScript as language, just like to do application you can drag. So this is our TypeScript application, and in this, yesterday we discussed what are the changes in configuring state, accessing state and all. How we can make strongly typed, everything we discussed here. Now we will build the application in the front end with the backend APIs. So let's add a new folder, server. And in the server folder, we are adding a new file, REST API.js. And we need from server side libraries here. I will install the server side libraries. npm install. One is MongoDB, that is the drivers library, and Express and CORS. These three are required for creating the APIs in the backend. Okay, so let's create an server app. So we are configuring Mongo client. So require MongoDB and in that Mongo client. That is one reference. Another, we need a course. So require course. One more, we need Express and require Express. Require Express. Okay. So we need to create a connection string. So MongoDB connection string 01277017. And we need to create a app express. Now app.listen on some port number 7070, some port number we given. And here console.log. So server started. So 12700170770. Okay. Now we need to configure the API requests. Yesterday I given a list of API methods. So one is get method. The path is so get admin. It should have a request and response. Get the admin related details. So through Mongo client, it should connect with the connection string, and then so client object. Through the client object, we communicate with the database. So client object DB. So database name, we will say video project DB. That is the database name. So that database is not created, and we know that it will be created, but admin will not have any register. So we will maintain an admin table. In that, already admin related details will be registered. So we will just provide a login. That means sometimes what we do in applications, even in companies also, when you go and you want to log in and use their PCs, they will not ask you to register. They will create a registration for you and they will give you credentials. That means you don't have a option of register. Just you can log in with the credentials. They will create credentials for you and give to you. So usually you can give a registration also, but admin, we will maintain a table and handle it. So what this database have to do? Collection called TBL admin, and on that find all records and convert to array, and dot then collect all the documents, and response dot send all the documents, and response dot end. So this is the API for accessing the admin, get admin details. Okay, now we will create another for, first we will create a interface for admin. Admin can log in, and admin can add videos and perform all operations on videos. So app.post. Actually, you need another one, categories also. Two predefined tables are there. That means I will put another copy. Here we will put get categories. Get categories, and here TBL categories. It will read all the categories. Because categories table is separate. Every video will be added under a category. And based on category, we can filter the data. If you have seen Fake Store, they maintained categories collection separate. Only categories array they have. That means it's a separate collection of categories. And every product have a category. So they have a relation between that. So here also same. Okay, get categories. Next, app.post. So post will be add video. So request and response. So here we need to connect. We will put a connection here. Database is same. Into the database, we need to add a video. So first we will create a video here. So video is equal to, it is an object. video contains an video ID, request.body.video ID, and it contains a title. So request.body.title, it contains URL, request.body.url, it contains description. So request.body.description, it contains likes, and video ID and likes, dislikes, these are integer type, parse int. They need to be converted into integer. Likes also parse int, request.body.likes, and we have dislikes, parse int. So request.body.dislikes. And here it will have comments, but comments we will not add here. We will add from comments table. Based on video ID, comments will be added. So we will show combination of two tables on one screen actually. So initially video related, these details are enough. These details are enough. So we need to insert this. What we need to do? So here we need to define database dot collection. Collection is TBL videos. Insert one, and video we have to insert. Dot then. So it uses a callback and just console.log video added, and the response dot end. Okay, this is one video related option. Now get video. This is adding the video. Now we must able to access all the videos from the TBL videos. Same like categories. So I will add here get videos, and it will get from TBL videos. That's it. You need another one is we need to access specific video. Based on the video ID, we need to access. So another method, get video slash colon ID. And this ID is var ID is equal to parse int request dot parameters dot ID. Through request parameters, you can access it. And I need to find and show the video. That means here we have to write the query. Video ID is matching with the ID. That's how we have to return. Okay, next what? We need to get, what is this? Get video based on ID. And we have add video. Next, edit video, delete video. So let's copy this. And here we will use the method. And usually this method will be put method. And what is it? Edit video slash colon ID. Based on ID, we should able to edit the video. We will collect the ID also here. So where ID is equal to request dot parseInt request dot parameters dot ID. Okay. Now we need to update the ID related details. That means here we need to use the method. What is the method we have to use? Update 1. Update 1 requires 2 queries. One query is find, another query is update. Find query is what? So find based on video ID matching with ID. Update what? Dollar set. Dollar set, and what it should set here, it should set the object. The object is what? Video. The video object it has to set. Video object is already there na above. That object it should set. And one more we forgot actually. You see the data modules. In the data modules, every video have a category ID. Remembered? So that means every video will have a category ID. Category ID will be there. So this will be parse int request dot body dot category ID. Okay, every video will have a category ID. It belongs to specific category. Here also we will add the category ID. So parse int request dot body dot category ID. Okay, and that video is inserted here. That means this is updating the video. Okay, now one more option is there, delete video. Same like it will be like get method. Okay, now we have another method, delete video, app dot delete, and we have a delete video. Based on the ID, it should delete. And here the command is what? So delete one, and query is same. Delete one, and it is just delete one. After that dot then, and it will have a simple callback. And in this callback, we need to just use console.log. So video deleted and response.end. Above, we will give video updated. Video updated, video deleted. So categories, everything is fine. Okay. Now the API methods for admin is ready. User have API methods. What are user API methods? User API methods are we are having like user registration, user login. Here we will create another method for adding the comments. So we need another method for comments also. Just the post method you tried. We need a post comment also. Post video, and we have post comment. So add comment. So, and accessing comments also we need. All right. Add comment. It will have a details like where comment is equal to. So comment ID. So parse int request dot body dot comment ID and comment. Comment ID comment is what I given comment only. TBL comments in the data model I given. comment ID and description, we will use a description. It is request dot body dot what description. This belongs to video ID. Which video? It is parseInt. So request dot body dot video ID. That means this comment belongs to which video? That video ID relationship we need to maintain, and TBL what? Comments. And it should add the comment. And comment added. Now we need one more. What is it? We need to read the comments. Based on video ID, we need to read the comments. So get comment based on ID. Get comment based on ID means we will use like this. So we need another method. So get comment. So based on ID, that means it should get TBL what? Comments. TBL comments. And what is the reference? Comment ID matching with the ID. That's so this is all the information about the API. So in this, we defined some more. When you are adding, we have to use app.use CORS. App should use CORS. That is compulsory. We need a body parser also to define. So app.use express dot what URL encoded extended to as what true. App.use express dot what express dot JSON. These are required when you are using post, put, and delete. They are compulsory. For get method, you don't need them. Otherwise, you need to configure this. Okay. Now our API is ready, but in this we have only admin related manipulations. First, we will test this. For that, two tables have predefined data. So this is the video project DB. Let's open the MongoDB. And in the MongoDB, connection refuse. So services, we will make sure that the MongoDB service is running. So in the services, MongoDB is not running. Let me start. Okay, now we are connecting. And here we will add a new database. Video project DB. Collection name TBL admin. I'm adding one table called TBL admin. And we will add one record into this. So admin have a user ID. And this is like some John admin something. And the admin have a password. @11. So only these two now. we maintain for user. That's user ID and password. Okay. We need to add another collection, TBL categories. In the TBL categories, we are creating a collection, and here we will add data. And what is the data here is category ID. Category ID is one, and category name. Category name is some React. That's what we are adding. Okay, I will add one more. So here category ID is 2, and it is some Java, something like this. Okay, so just 3 categories I will add. Category ID is 3, some AWS something. So these are the 3 options we are having. 1, 2, 3 categories options we are having. Okay, now we need to configure the collections, and rest of tables you don't need to create because ORM is supported. You just run the command from your Postman, and automatically table will be generated. Let's create the tables through that Postman. Okay, make sure that your API is running. CD server and node REST API.js. Okay, and it is on 7070. So I will take a new request, and in this 127001 7070 slash get categories. First I will check and send. It is going to get the categories. So that is working fine. So now we will give get admin, and it is going to get the admin details also fine. Okay, next we will use a post. In the post, we will add here. Here we will add a add video, and video is having ID. So video ID is 1. Title is some React JS. It is in body only, parameters. Yeah. URL encoded body. Okay. These parameters I will delete. Body URL encoded. Yeah. So video ID is 1. Title is React JS demo 1. And here we have URL. URL is actually a video embedded URL. Video embedded URL means we can get video URL from YouTube, suppose. So here I am having YouTube Naresh IT. I will open. In this YouTube Naresh IT, suppose we are having some React videos. Usually we have the videos, recent playlist videos somewhere. Okay, any one video I will add some Java is there. That React I will add later. Okay, some video is there. Some core Java, something like this. Okay. So I will select some Java video. Okay. And actually it is a playlist of all of them. One video we will clip. Okay, this is the video. And you know, this video code is this. This is the video code. Let me copy that video code. And here in the Postman, the URL will be like this. So the URL will be what? So it will be https:// www.youtube.com/embed. Embed is used to embed a YouTube video into your site, and slash the video code. That is the video code you have to enter. So description. Description is about difference between JDK, JR. Suppose this is Java tutorial, and here we have difference between JDK, JRE, something like this. Okay, next what? Every video have a likes. Suppose I just given 0, not likes, yeah, likes 0. And we have like dislikes, that is also 0. And we have uh, category ID. Category ID is 2. First category is React. This is second category is Java. Third category is AWS. But in the form, it's not complex because in the form we will put a drop down. In the drop down, we will ask him select which category. Then he don't need to know what is the ID of React or the. In the front end, we will create an interface where he can see the name, right? Okay, now we will send this. When we send this category ID, anything missing, all are there, na? Right. So when we send that, the data is sent, video added, and here you refresh the collections, and TBL videos is added here. And some data is generated into that. So we will see what is the data generated. Now everything is perfect. That means make sure that data type is correctly mentioned. Otherwise, later query issues will come. So this is perfectly stored into the database. So a table is created, data is added automatically. So now other operations like put, delete, and other, we will directly test it from the form, because now we know this is working, all will work. There is no problem in that. Because actually what is another method we can try is put method. put method, and what it is? Edit video slash video ID is 1. Video ID is 1. Suppose in that I am updating here title Java JD JD JDK na. Yeah, I'm just giving JDK and JVM tutorial, something like this. And I am updating some likes, suppose some 1000. These details we updated. Title and this one updated. And which is the method it is put. What is the request? Edit video. And click on send. It is sent. Video updated, it is showing here. We need to check in the database. In the database, that video is updated or not. Refresh. Some problem is there. That means some update is not working. Okay. Why it is not working? Let's check. In update, have we missed the set method? Edit video. TBL videos based on the ID. Update find based on video ID. And somewhere put operation have issue. It is updated. Some refresh problem is there. Okay. It is updated. Fine. So there is no issue in this. Some reloading issue is there. It's fine. The data what we entered is updated here. So put operation is also working fine. Now we are sure that delete and edit other operations are same. So now let's define here. So what we need to do is we need to add one more, because the comments, suppose we have another add comment, add comment slash video ID. Video ID is 1. And this is which method? Post. In this, what are the details we need to add? So what are the details we need to add? Comment ID. Comment ID is 1. And description. Description is what? Add comment is just for which comment we need to add. Add comment is just add comment. There is no ID. Right? So what is the description? Suppose some please upload more videos. Okay, something like this. For which video? Video ID. Video ID is what? 1. Like that. Now we will send this. Please upload more Java videos. Like this we will use. That is one comment. That is sent. And here we refresh. and TBL comments is also ready. And in that one comment is there. So these are all generated or not. We are just verifying. So now everything is fine. Now in this admin related data and options are working fine. Let's close. Now let's create the UI, user interface for this video library. And what is the UI? For UI, now you need to set up some more libraries. And what are the libraries for this? I will copy this one. This is the video library project. So this is server REST API dot what JS. That's the REST API. This is the REST API JS related option now, right? So now in this user related details, we will add later, right? So now we need to set up project. So we need to install. What are the front end tools you need? Axios, Formic, and React dot cookie. That is the library for login. React router DOM. React router DOM is required. So Bootstrap already we installed in previous. Yup library for validation if you want to define. Like now let's save. Axios, Formic, React cookie, React router DOM. In TypeScript project also, there is no complex change. So all the libraries are same. You are going to see that. Only the point is strongly typed. That is only the concept. Which one? React hyphen cookie. Yeah? So we are setting up all these libraries now. Okay. All the libraries are ready. And let me copy this. This is the front end React TypeScript app. Okay. In this, we need to install all this. We have to install all these libraries. Okay. Let's create the front end. That means we need to start with app. But here, one new concept is because it is TypeScript, you need contracts for all types of data that you are dealing with. You need a contract for all type of data. So first what you have to do is for the type of data you are going to deal, you need to create a contract. I will here create the contracts. That means in the components, those are other components we have. Let's go to the contracts. In the contracts, we need to add one is video contract. Video contract dot what ts. So this video contract export interface video contract. and it have video ID. This is a number. Title is a string, and URL is a string. Description is a string. Likes is a number. So dislikes is a number. Category ID is a number. This is all the contract. So for every data, you need a contract. That is one additional thing. Earlier, we used to hard code that directly in the state, but now we have to design a contract. Okay, another for admin contract, admin contract.ts, export interface admin contract. In admin contract, user ID, and we have a password. That is admin contract. You need another contract, comments contract.ts. So export interface comments contract. In that we have comment ID, that is a number, and description, that is a string, and video ID, this is what number. That is the comments contract. Enough. Categories also. We have a categories contract .ts. So export interface categories contract, and this contract will have category ID, which is a number, and category name. Category name is a string. So additionally, here you need a contract for every data you are dealing with. So the contracts are interfaces. We are creating the interfaces. Okay. Now let's go to the app.js TSX. Our application will start with app. Our application will start with app. And here we will use a cookies provider. We will use a cookies provider from React Cookie. And this app should work in the cookies provider. That is the configuration you need to do. And app.tsx, here we need to design the route. So here we need to configure the complete routing. Now in this, I will just put a container fluid. And this is the video library project. So I will just put a header. So video library project. So I'm not keeping anything complex design. I will just concentrate on functionality designs you create, right? Background images, colors, effects in it. So padding 2, and so this is like font size some 3. Okay. Now this is the header we are having. Make sure that everything is inside browser router. In the browser router, we will configure the header. Later, we may have some logins and other options also. So what we will do here, we need to create the collection of what? Section. So section, and in the section, we are having, so this is text center. Okay. And BG some dark, text white. Okay. In the section, We'll just give admin login, user login. Two links we will create. So link, so this is admin login, and another link will have user login. So link to, so this is slash admin login, and this is to slash user login. Okay. So class text center. Okay. This is the links we are having. Now we need two screens to add in the components. Now I will maintain a separate source video components. In the video components, I will add admin login.tsx, and I will add so home.tsx. So video home.tsx. Video home.tsx and admin.tsx. So what is the point is this I will give in these links. I will give in, yeah, I will give in that home, video home. So export function video home, and it returns a container with these two links. So import link from React Router DOM, and that we need to display inside the area. That means here we will put routes, and in the route path is a slash, then it should get an element that is video home element. We need to get that. Default it will get that, and now we need admin login also. Export function admin login, and return so a div, and here we need a form. So admin login, dataless data term, user ID, and a text box. And in this we need a password and data definition input type password. And we have a button login. Now what we need to do after login is successful, it will go to admin dashboard.tsx. So export function admin dashboard, and return a simple heading admin dashboard. Here we want to design an grid like. Grid means admin can watch the videos, he can add, remove the videos, a tabular format we need to do. So first we will come from the login and home. NPM start. Okay. Now how to design a login screen first. I means in app, rest of paths must be there. So route path slash admin login. Admin login. So we have an element and admin login. That is the element. We need another route path /admin dashboard. And we have an element. So admin dashboard we need to create. Okay. So here in the initial screen, it will start with okay. This is initial we are having and video home. Let's keep this BTN warning and here class name as BTN and BTN primary. Okay, we have these two buttons, something like this. Okay, fine. We have admin login and user login. Justify content center and okay, style, height. So 100 VH. Okay, that's just the screen here. Align item center. That will be fine. Okay, now admin login. Then it will navigate me to the admin login screen and show here. Right. So what we need to do now. So in the app text center, if I remove that looks fine. Okay. Now this is the admin login we are having. When user clicks on login, we have to verify and get the dashboard. Login already, you know the logic. How do we write? So last session we learned, means a previous project we learned login. Now, what is the logic for admin here? The logic for admin is in the admin login screen, collect the data from this, verify from the user. If he is matching, it is available, then go to the dashboard. In the dashboard, same like user dashboard, we created user login and user dashboard. In dashboard, additionally, we need to create all the interactions for getting the videos and using the videos. Actually, I will show you first dashboard, then later we will create the combination. Just dashboard is dashboard. What it has to do is, so we will use state constant videos, get set videos is equal to use state. It should deal with video contract, video contract and video contract of what type? Array of video contract. Now what we need to do, use effect and we need to load the videos. We need to load the videos and we need to configure the videos, right? 1 second. So now here we need To load the videos, then you know what to do. Function load videos. And we have a what type, void type, and axios.get, get from HTTP. This is 127.0.0.1.70.70 get videos. Dot then get the response and set videos. So response dot data, and load videos will be called here load videos. And here we are using a simple tabular format. So class table and table hover. In this we have a T head, TR, TH. This is title, and we have a preview, and we have actions. Actions we will design. Now in the table body, we need to generate a row. What is it? This is videos dot videos question mark dot what map, because we haven't initialized. Yesterday we learned that we will read every video, and for every video we will generate a row. So key will be video dot video ID. In the first cell, we will display the title, video dot title. In the second cell, we need to show the video. How you display a video coming from YouTube? We use iframe. I hope you know iframes. Huh? So iframe will have an SRC. Iframe SRC coming from video.url. Video URL. Iframe width is set to, so width is set to 200 and height is set to 200. Just I am giving the video height and width here. Iframes are used for embedding the videos. In the last cell, we have actions. Actions are actually for delete, edit buttons we will add there. Edit video, delete video, like options we will do that. Later we will add. For that we need to create the links. Okay, let's access admin dashboard separately and see. Admin hyphen what? Dashboard. And this admin dashboard should get the video and show. It is getting the video. Even the video can play here. The video can play here directly. So we are having this admin dashboard where we can show the video it is having. Now here we need to create all the actions. Actions like add video, edit video, delete video, interactions we need to design. That we'll see tomorrow, right? I will upload up to API, the API code upload. This entire video project I will upload tomorrow. Tomorrow we will finish this design. That means already we know CRUD operations. No need to explain much. Here we already know CRUD operations. We will design that. Once we do this, in this we will add Redux. We will learn what is Redux, how to use Redux in this project, right? Then tomorrow we will continue with that. Okay, right.